We do a lot of cooking with kids, but are we using the opportunity afterwards to talk about cleaning up our kitchen? Let's look at my kitchen again. There's stuff that needs to be put away and stuff that needs to be cleaned.
Put away. Clean.
I'm going to start by putting away the food.
Put away.
This goes in here.
This goes in here.
These go in there.
These go in there.
All the stuff on the counters needs to be put away. Everything in the right place.
Put away. Everything in the right place.
Now it's time to put away all those clean dishes that are sitting in my sink drainer.
Put away.
Finally, dirty things go in the dishwasher.
Dirty things go in there.
We're almost done. All we need to do is wipe down everything.
Almost done. Wipe down everything.
It's so nice to have a clean kitchen. Everything looks good.
Nice. Clean. Kitchen. Looks good.
Here's what the communication partner modeled as they were describing the action. I modeled Unity 84 sequenced. Maybe you need to model LAMP Words for Life. To direct the action, this is the target vocabulary that I would want my student to learn.